Do you want to know one of the single biggest things that is essential not only in your business life, but also in your personal life? Now, this may sound a little bit weird to you, but it's having the skill set to write not only good, but amazing copy. I'm Glen Depke. I'm the trainer for Ethical Marketing Academy, and one of my favorite courses is NLP Copywriting Mastery. You see, having the skill set to write copy not only helps you in your business and your marketing, it helps you in your personal life. Because if you're somebody who's writing emails or business letters, or maybe you're promoting a course you just created or a speaking event that you're going to be presenting, or maybe a book that you've just written, or really any number of avenues, or maybe you're just having that business meeting, that conversation with somebody that you have a certain outcome that you're looking for that's going to be beneficial for you as well as beneficial for the person you're having that conversation with. Well, the one common denominator in all of that, as well as in your own personal life, is NLP Copywriting Mastery. And I look forward to teaching you the skill set so you can actually be finally achieving the goals and reaching the intentions that you desire with your business as well as in your personal life. So I look forward to connecting with you in NLP Copywriting Mastery in a city near you in the very near future. Until then, just remember the importance of amazing copy.